All right, so we got some random packages. I had my wife spend $100 on the TikTok shop. 3 of the packages came. We're gonna open it today, so let's check it out. They're random items, by the way. Let's see what we got here. And I don't know what they are. The first one is, let's see. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I don't know what this is. What is this?
To reseal a Coke.
Oh, it's to reseal a soda.
Or a Monster.
Or a Monster. I don't know if that's gonna fit on a regular soda can though. So we got a drink. It's not a soda, but let's see. So let's pop the top here. Let's see. And I think it goes like this. Oh wait, forgot to put this thing in there.
The straw.
It's a straw. It's a thing. This thing. It's probably too long. Let's see. I'm gonna fucking spill this. There we go. All right. And then has a cap. Another little straw dilly. Let's see. I mean, I guess. I don't. It's cool. How much was that? She doesn't remember. All right. Well, there's that one. All right. Next item up is this package. I don't know what's in there, so we're gonna open this bad boy up and check it out. By the way, the last item was $6.49, $6.49. It comes with 5, I believe, so you can save your sodas. Hopefully I can open this without slicing my finger off. Let's check it out. Oh look, another package. Alright, and this is, I don't know what this is. This looks like a dream catcher, a sun catcher, a sun outside decoration item thing. That's
Crystal sun catcher.
It's a crystal sun catcher. Or if you want to be really cool, you could wear it as an earring like that. Maybe? No, I don't think so. Anyways, crystal sun catcher, and this one was how much?
Too much.
How much was this?
11.
$11 for this. And 13 cents for your sun catcher thing. Put that in your car rearview mirror and blind everybody, including yourself, while you're driving. All right, well, there's that one. All right, last one for today. This one's a box, so hopefully this one's cool. Let's check it out. Don't cut towards yourself, cut away from yourself. And don't put your finger in the way like this. All right, so I'm just gonna, let's see. This is a itty bitty carafe mug. It's a mug for your coffee that looks like your pot for your drip coffee. Let's see. Yeah, so it's just a glass cup that looks like a coffee thing, coffee pot dealy. Has a little lid to cover, keep your coffee hot. Coffee hot? That sounded weird, I don't know why. And it has a little sippy dilly in the front. Sip it like this. Yeah, 16 ounces. Pretty cool. How much was that?
$24.97.
$24.97 for
but
this.
You get an extra 5% off.
But you get 5% off if you spend more than $30 on the TikTok shop. All right. Well, some, I guess, different items in this batch. We'll have a part 2 and probably a part 3 or more, depending on what else comes. So we had this, and a little popper dealy lids for your sodas.
Or Monsters.
Or Monsters, or, I mean, beer if you want. All right, well, have a good one. Have a good day.